1 plus 2 equals 3. So 344 plus 44 is 8. Okay, so yeah, let's pick this one. .NET framework, it's this one. Let's pick this. Wow, it's slow. Okay. So let's just talk about something. If you know how to code with .NET framework in Windows Forms, coding it in .NET Core or just .NET is kind of the same thing. Um, for some reason, yours might not show the design, so I'd suggest you would go to help and then check for updates. Update your IDE, and then if it's still the same, go to tools, options, uh, preview features, and then scroll down. Where is it? There you go. Use preview Windows Forms at for .NET Core apps. This one. Make sure to tick this and this. Just those two. Tick those two. And then you should be able to code fine. Alright, so let's get started making our basic calculator. So we'll drag a text box in so we can get input. Let's make it bigger over here. Let's give it 15. There we go. Then we'll need a button to calculate. So let's change it to here from the text. Calculate. Okay, so and then we'll need a label just to show. There we go. Let's change the text again to basic calcu. There we go. So let's start. First, double click the calculate. So it creates an event where it captures anything inside. So okay, so where was I? Alright. So first let's get the integer number. So int. You should know the basics of this for now, right? So I'll just assume that you know the basics for this. So int a equal text box 1 dot text. Right. Okay, showing an error because it's a text. It's not an integer, so we'll have to convert it. Int dot parse, and then the text box. Okay, then we'll message box. Message box is basically saying, like itself, it shows a box of text. So we'll call a, then make sure to string because it's on a int. You want it to show as a string. Close it. Now we should be able to run it. Okay, so we put 2, it will show 2. Put 3, it will show 3. Put 3 plus 3, it will show 6. Oh, there's an error. Input string was not the same format. Okay, so why did it cause an error? That's because there was a plus. And the plus is considered as a text. It's not a integer, right? So let's work around this. Let's Control C, Control V, because I'm kind of lazy. So this is text box 2. Okay, now we go in A. Okay, so now make one int. No. So you make a total. Int total equals A plus B. That's it. Now we show total the string. Okay. So 1 plus 2 equals 3. So 344 plus 44 is 8. So there we go. Well done. You made your first calculator in .NET Core. Okay. So subscribe, leave a like and comment, and I also gave some suggestions on what you want me to make, because I don't really know what to make for my YouTube channel. Okay, have a good one, guys. Bye bye.